Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. Impactful weather these next several hours as wind-swept rain, downpours, and thunder come through from west to east. Brief localized flooding, some isolated pockets of wind damage possible, and another round of rain comes in Tuesday night into Wednesday. More on that in Insights. It's the wet weather gear out the door for the kiddos with the areas of rain, some downpours. Temperatures you notice in the 60s will actually fall during the second half of the day with some lingering rain in far eastern areas, particularly through Maine, and then eventually just a long sleeve necessary as you head into the bus ride home. Most of the kids can get rid of the wet weather gear, skip the umbrella with the gusty wind, don't want it to flip inside out. So interactive radar, great tool to have as the band shifts from west to east. Still some downpours and embedded thunder possible through midday to early afternoon in eastern New England, though we're starting to dry out with just a stray shower left over behind it. Breaks of sun emerge. Pockets of rain linger longest in northern and central and eastern Maine through the afternoon to early evening. And then we clear the skies out as we head into overnight tonight. So our interactive radar in past plus future mode, great. You can just load it up, check where things are going to be headed. Of course, keep it open, location turned on too for any warnings that may pop up. App.onedegreeoutside.com has some tips and tricks on how to best use our app. The strongest wind is going to coincide with these bands of downpours and heaviest rain sweeping through. We may have an isolated gust to 50, but most of the gusts between about 30 to 40 miles per hour. Notice over the course of mid to late morning, and then by early afternoon, still some gusts that may exceed 40 briefly along the coastline of Maine. And then during the mid to late afternoon along down East Maine, Bar Harbor, you notice still gusting in excess of 40 during the evening. The rest of us quieting down about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So it's with that band of heaviest rain that kind of transfers some of that wind just off the surface down to the ground as the downpours come in. Mainly clear tonight, widespread 40s on the map, still some lingering clouds and even a couple of showers possible right along the Canadian border, with most spots, even in northern New England, dipping into the 40s overnight tonight. Don't forget, you can watch weather anytime, anywhere with our continuous weather stream 24/7 at 1degreeoutside.live, and on your smart TV, open up the YouTube app and search 1 Degree Outside Network.